Hi guys, it's Dino and welcome back to another product video. Now, are you tired of constantly switching drill bits, wasting time on pre-drilling? Meet the game changer, which is the multifunctional step drill with smart step technology. This piece drills faster, cleaner, and deeper, even through thicker materials up to 10 mil. No pre-drilling required, no deburring, holes are already smooth. Now, one tool, multiple hole sizes. Steel, cast iron, and even plexiglass. Bring it on. Thanks to its coating, it withstands temperatures up to 1050 degrees Celsius and has 3000 HV hardness. So go ahead, push it to its limits. Tumelo, why don't you come over to this side so we can have a look at what this bad boy could do? So guys, as you saw, smooth drilling, no warping, no stress, just pure power in your hand.